Hi, my name is Chandra and I'm the program coordinator for AIA Ottawa. As you can see, lots of snow. I really wish that I could be there with all of you, but today is our Kershaw lecture, so I was asked to submit this short video instead of something kind of cool that we did this year. We had a literal rock concert. Let me explain.
This past September, we wanted to start things off a bit differently. We were very honored to have Dr. Yahia Fadil Tahir from the University of Khartoum talk about his research on the rock gongs of Sudan. But we thought, why not bring the music to life with a concert? This is where Dr. Jesse Stewart from the University of Carleton joined us for some fun. It's hard to sum up the accomplishments of Dr. Jesse Stewart. He's an award-winning composer, percussionist, visual artist, researcher, and educator. His music has been featured across Canada, the United States, and Europe. He's won a Juno Award, the Terry Fox Humanitarian Award, and has been named to the Order of Canada. And he delivered all this and more in his concert for our audience. As you can see in the videos, Jesse experiments with different tools, including rocks, stones, and instruments like the lithophone, to create a variety of sounds and music. He explained the range of possibilities of stones and rock gongs, while also playing them for us. This provided us with some interesting and really in-depth context to the lecture that followed on the rock gongs of Sudan. But let's allow Jesse to show us what he does best and have a listen. Here is his original composition called Jacob's Pillow for the lithophone.
I highly encourage all of you to visit Jesse Stewart's TikTok, Jesse Stewart Sound. This was by far our most popular talk of the year, and I think it shows the importance of multidisciplinary approaches for archaeology. I hope that it inspires you in your future programs, and more importantly, that it reminds you that archaeology still rocks. This horrible pun brought to you by AIA Ottawa. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you soon.